Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by loading your raw exposures and calibration frames. This ensures every pixel has context. You calibrate with dark, bias, and flats to remove sensor noise and vignetting, and then align frames to subpixel accuracy so faint detail stacks coherently. Once done, you should register across filters and exposures, making sure timestamps and scales match. This early precision preserves real astrophysical signal and prevents artifacts later. So invest time here. Small alignment errors amplify in subsequent processing. Next, you combine your aligned frames to increase signal-to-noise ratio. Choose median or sigma-clipped averaging to reject transients. Then extract signal by building precise background and noise maps. Subtract local gradients to reveal nebulosity. If you have good dithers, apply drizzle or super resolution to recover finer sampling. This matters for crowded fields or small features. Once combined, switch to linear space processing. Do curve fitting, deconvolution, and narrowband continuum subtraction there, because nonlinear edits now would destroy recoverable faint signal. Finally, you move to nonlinear stretching and color mapping to reveal structure without clipping. Use ASIN or histogram transforms while monitoring highlights and saturated cores. Then assign channels, natural or scientific palettes, and balance white points to reflect physical or aesthetic goals. Apply selective wavelet sharpening and cleanup for stars and edges, and remove ringing or calibration artifacts. Export a 16-bit master for archiving and an 8-bit web copy. If colors look off, recheck white balance and calibration frames first. Often a misapplied flat causes it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.